So welcome to this short introduction to arts-based and embodied approaches to distributed leadership development. I'm Karen Smith, one of the UK team who contributed to the Enables project, through which the resources on this website have been developed. I'll be putting questions about arts-based and embodied approaches to leadership development to Suzanne Culshaw, another member of the UK team. So first of all, what is the Enables project about, and what were the arts-based and embodied approaches used in the project?
Well, Enables is a European project all about arts-based development of distributed leadership and innovation in schools. So the project aims to strengthen collaborative leadership of innovation in schools by developing and disseminating innovative methods of arts-based and embodied distributed leadership development. Arts-based and embodied activities were used in the Enables project as approaches to developing distributed leadership. They can include things like drama, improvisation, creating collages, music, drawing, photography, creative writing, guided movement, and things like that. It can also be helpful to think of them as creative or visual activities. And to be clear, it's not about being particularly artistic or creating pieces of art. What's important is a willingness, a playfulness almost, to express feelings and ideas through engaging in activities such as these.
Why do you cover embodied activities as well as arts-based?
Well, ideas, feelings and our practice are not separate from our bodies, but are interconnected with them. And so we recognise how the body influences what we do and how we do it. There is an embodied dimension to these activities, even if not all partners emphasise that embodied aspect in their sessions.
So how have arts-based and embodied activities been used in the Enables projects, and what have you learnt about them?
Well, they've been used to stimulate activity and reflection that helps people in schools nurture the awareness and capabilities which are important for effective distributed leadership. Each project partner focused on a different arts-based and embodied approach, and partners trialled activities within sessions for leaders, teachers, students and others in schools as a way of developing distributed leadership. The activities were often done in groups where individual creations could be shared and reflected upon collaboratively. In fact, collaboration was a strong element in all the activities. What we're noticing is that arts-based and embodied activities can help leaders, teachers, students, governors, and others contributing to school life become more aware of the feelings, emotions, concerns, and values of themselves and others in relation to their professional role. This, in turn, can encourage new thinking and insights concerning their practice as co-leaders of change. These activities can help people open up and reflect, with the potential to change how they think about aspects of their work or how they relate to others. So we've learned that taking part in arts-based and embodied activities has great potential in developing awareness and sensitivities which are important in working collaboratively and practicing distributed leadership.
Why might people listening to this consider using arts-based and embodied approaches to distributed leadership development?
Well, schools are complex organisations which are faced with unprecedented challenges, increased expectations and continual change in education generally and in the communities they serve. So what we've found from our sessions is that these activities allowed leaders, teachers, students and others to think differently about themselves and often encourage them to embrace change, innovation, the unfamiliar and complexity. Some felt that this might help them to cope better in their roles. Activities like these have been found to help participants communicate not just better, but in a different way, using imagery or visual metaphors rather than just words. And doing these activities collaboratively can help you appreciate other people's perspectives and change the way you respond to and relate to people in your working environment.
Thanks, Suzanne. That's a really useful overview of arts-based and embodied methods.